In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make setting to PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. If you've ever wanted PowerPoint to feel more yours, from how it saves your work to how it looks and behaves during a presentation, this walkthrough will help you dial in the settings that matter. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint in the Microsoft 365 version. You can use a blank presentation. The content doesn't matter for adjusting settings. Once PowerPoint is open, head to the top left corner and click File. This opens what's called the Backstage view, where you manage behind-the-scenes options like saving, exporting, and most importantly for today, app preferences. At the bottom of the left-hand menu, select Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, the hub for fine-tuning how PowerPoint works. On the left, you'll see categories such as General, Save, Language, Proofing, and Advanced. Choosing the right category makes it easier to find what you need without hunting through unrelated controls. General is where you can set overall preferences, like the user interface theme and startup settings. It's also a good place to review default choices that affect new presentations. If you want consistent typography, look here for options related to default fonts as they apply to new files and themes, so new presentations start out the way you prefer. Save is all about protecting your work and controlling how and where files are stored. This is where you can adjust autosave and auto-recover behavior. Turning on frequent saves, choosing a default location, and setting a shorter auto-recover interval can be a lifesaver if you ever experience a crash or close a file accidentally. If you often share files, setting a default format can help keep things compatible for your audience. Language lets you select your editing, proofing, and, where available, display languages. This is especially helpful if you work with multilingual content or collaborate with teams across regions. Proofing controls how PowerPoint handles spelling and grammar checks. You can decide whether to flag certain words, ignore specific capitalization, or tailor autocorrect behavior so it helps rather than interrupts your flow. Advanced gives you deeper control over how PowerPoint behaves during editing and slideshows. This is where you can tweak slideshow options, such as whether to end with a black slide or use presenter-focused features that help during live delivery. After you've adjusted the settings you want, click OK to apply and save the changes. That's it. You can return to these options anytime to refine your setup as your workflow evolves. With a few thoughtful tweaks, PowerPoint becomes faster, safer, and more consistent every time you use it.